So welcome students. In this question it's given that these three vectors are non-coplanar. So what can you say about the number lambda? That's the question. And it's given that A, B, C are non-coplanar vectors. So obviously if three vectors are non-coplanar, their box product should not be equal to 0. So what is the box of these three vectors? The box of these three vectors is determinant of 1, 2, 3. 0, lambda, 4, 0, 0, 2 lambda minus 1 times box of ABC. These are the coefficients of ABC in each of the vectors. So box of these vectors is equal to this. That is equal to 1 times lambda times 2 lambda minus 1 times box ABC. So if this should not be equal to 0, box ABC is anyway not equal to 0. So lambda should not be equal to 0 or 1 by 2. That is except for two values. So if lambda is equal to 0 or 1 by 2, this vectors might become coplanar. So if these are non-coplanar, it's valid for all values of lambda except two values of lambda. Thank you.